So number 9 is probably the hardest problem that's going to be on this study guide. Make sure you know how to do these kinds of problems, but first we can see that we have, this would be an ow situation, and here we have a pop. So if I were to try to do pop, that would be 6 times x equals 9 times y. We would have two variables going on at the same time. You can't try to solve when you have two variables. So instead I'm going to start with the ow. Remember, ow stands for outside times whole equals outside times whole. I know I'll be using ow because I have outside pieces. So the outside piece of this one down here is 40. The whole piece of this one down here is also 40. So 40 times 40 equals, the outside piece of this one is 32 times the whole thing, which is 32 plus x plus 6. From there you can say, I know that 32 plus 6 is 38. And then everything else can just follow from there. 40 times 40 is going to be 1600. Then I need to distribute that 32 to both pieces of the parentheses. So 32 times 38 is 1216. And 32 times x is 32x, and that's all equal to 1600. Then I'll subtract 1216 from both sides, and I'll get 384 is equal to 32x, because those cancel each other out. Then if I divide by 32 on both sides, I get that x equals 12. Then from there, what I suggest you do is you go ahead and you scratch out this x and you write 12. Because we said x is 12, so I know that that must be 12. Now from there, I have this segment or this chord and this chord. So I'm going to be doing a pop, which means the product of pieces. Remember, product means to multiply. So I'm going to multiply all the pieces. So I can do piece times piece. Remember, they're going to go together. And piece times piece. So I can say 6 times 12 is equal to 9 times y. So then 6 times 12 is 72, and that's equal to 9y. I'll divide both sides by 9, and y equals 8.